whether they're disabled, whether they have PTSD, whether they passed, they put everything on the line.
Protecting veterans is top of mind for Hialeah Gardens High School student Kevin Hernandez.
Name?
Patricia Marquez.
Yes, I got you. Your teammates are here?
With the help of Principal Maritza Jimenez, his dream to launch the Valor and Unity Expo at his school finally happened.
We have 3 students right now spearheading this, and Kevin is the main one.
And Kevin managed to get other high schools involved too, hosting a series of debates and friendly competitions to create legislation to support veterans.
After we were attacked in Pearl Harbor, we lost many lives.
The winner will take that legislation and we'll pass it up. And we'll give it to our contacts at the state and federal and local level so that they can make that legislation come a reality for that student.
They also presented services and products, such as wellness kits, to businesses that support veterans.
That's why I proposed a business plan for Addies.
Kevin says he was inspired by his parents who came from Cuba looking for a better life.
When they came over here and they saw everything that they had, they were really grateful. And they wanted to make sure that I knew that you know, I can't take that for granted. And part of that is, you know, giving honor and service to the people who protect those freedoms that we have.
Veterans like Manuel Superviel say they are thankful for students like Kevin.
If there are more kids like the ones that are here today participating, not just the guys who put this together, but the ones who are doing the debates and proposing legislation and those kinds of things, that gives me hope.
This year we had 35 to 40 attendees. Next year we want 60. The year after that, 100. And like that, we grow and grow slowly, you know. We start with a seed and we become an oak tree.